Hi, it's GramMoose. How was your day today? Mine was okay. Tonight we're wearing purple. K-State, one of the best schools here in Kansas. But we're wearing purple so we can read Itty Bitty Kitty and the rainy play day. The kitty's purple, so we need it to match. Let's begin. It was a drippy, droppy, plippy, ploppy, rainy, gray, can't play outside day. It's been raining here. Did I say that already? Which meant that Ava and Itty Bitty Kitty were stuck inside. Ava drew pictures on the foggy window. Itty Bitty Kitty made paw prints and nose prints and whisker prints. Then they ran out of things to do. When will the rain stop? Ava asked Dad. Soon, he told her. Soony, balloony, baboony, grumped Ava. Turn that frown upside down, Mom told her. But there's nothing to do, said Ava. I know. Let's play a game called Pick Up Your Room, Mom suggested. Is that something your mom says? Ava and Itty Bitty didn't think that sounded fun, but they didn't have anything else to do. So Ava and Mom picked up her toys, and Itty Bitty picked up her own room. It was hard work. We need a snack, Ava told her cat when they were done. Together they headed for... Where do you think they're going? The kitchen. Ava got her cup. Itty Bitty got the dish. Slurp went Itty Bitty. Burp went Ava. Burp. That's enough of that, called Mom. Time for a different game. So Ava and Itty Bitty took off for... Did you know cats could burp? Oliver snores, but I don't know if I've heard him burp. They headed for Dad's study. I know. Let's play Go Fish, said Ava. But there was something in Itty Bitty a bit fishy about the way her cat played. Maybe cards are not your game, Ava told him. Just then, Itty Bitty's left ear perked up. In a flash, he dashed for... What do you think her dad's doing? The living room, where the cat jumped onto the cushy couch, then onto the slightly unstable table, and then into the wide windowsill. Ava jumped on the cushy couch, then stepped onto the slightly unstable table, then onto the wide windowsill too. Whoever touches the floor is a rotten egg, she yelled. My boys used to play that the floor was hot lava. Rotten egg. Itty Bitty bounced back to the cushy couch, so Ava bounced back to the cushy couch. They hopped from there to the flowered red chair, and to the footstool where the cat stopped to stare. At a little fish on a high, high shelf, Itty Bitty twitched. His tail flicked. His whiskers wiggled. He wanted that fish, like the one on his dish. Meow, he called to it, but it wouldn't come down. So he went... What do you think's going to happen now? Up! Itty Bitty leaped over the high chair into the air. All paws and claws, he swung for that fish. Look at Ava's face. Think he'll get it? Kapow! He didn't quite make it, and that fish, he did break it. Just then, The sun peeked from the clouds. "Out you go, you two," said Dad. Ava and Itty Bitty hurry-scurried through the door. But halfway down the path, Itty Bitty froze in his tracks. Then he turned, wild-eyed, and ran back inside. What do you think happened? Because it turned out that Kitty was not one bit fond of wet puddle paws, so while Ava played outside, Itty Bitty stayed inside. Then Ava got a tremendous, stupendous idea. She zipped back into the house. Did you see the shower cap? Minutes later, Ava and Itty Bitty dashed out again. Splish! Splash! Oops! Itty Bitty's playing in the rain puddles. Oh, Itty Bitty. But then everyone began to laugh. He got 'em all wet. Even the rainbow smiled, which was the positively perfect day. I hope you enjoyed that story about Itty Bitty Kitty and the rainy play day. We like to play in the rain puddles too. Good night. I love you.